day to you. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Leanne A. Guillermo, 29 years old, from Philippines. I am single with one child who is 3 years old, and I have 4 sisters, and I am the eldest. I graduated with a Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have experience here in the Philippines for 2 years as nanny. I will serve 4 family members with 1 couple and 2 children aged 5 years old and 3 years old. I will do cleaning, washing, cooking, and taking good care of the children.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I will check the temperature and call my employer.
How would you describe yourself?
I am honest, responsible, and
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
no sir,
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
no sir,
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
no sir,
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
no sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to provide my family needs and also to provide my better future for my son.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children or child?
My live-in partner.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will do focus on my work.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I will sleep 10 p.m. and wake up 5 a.m.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
Be patient and calming.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I sincerely hope you consider me as your helper. I committed to my work, trustworthy and able to work even any supervision. And I will do my best to serve your family with care, respect, and dedication. Thank you, and I hope you will give me the opportunities to serve your family.